This week we're going to be learning about vowel combinations, which is two vowels that work together to either make a vowel sound or a new sound. So ee, like feet, makes the E sound. Oo can make the sound like book, ook, or oo like moon. Ai makes the A sound like rain. Ay can work together to make the A sound like pay. AW, now I know that W is not a vowel, but it does work together with the A as a vowel combination to make the aw sound like paw. E and A work together can make the sound like head or the E sound like reed. IE can make the E sound like chief. OA makes the O sound like boat. OI work together to make the oi sound like coin. OU would be owl like pout or mouth. OY, toy or boy, oi. And OW, remember, W is not a vowel, but this is just a vowel combination. So it's combining with a consonant to make the O sound like toe or mo, or the owl sign like cow or now. So now let's practice that. In my word work packet, I'm going to turn to pages 1 and 2. And the first part says, underline the vowel combination in each non-word. So remember, a combination can sometimes be with the W, ow, yow, aw, zaw, croy. So I know that's tricky because W and sometimes Y is a vowel. In this case, it's working with the vowel to make a vowel combination. The roush, pult, towed, Powell, Prague, choiced, och, and inroy. And yes, remember, these are all non-words. Then you're going to write the non-words according to the combinations. I'm going to look for all the OI ones first. Stroil. What else is O? Oh, choiced. O-I sound, the oi sound. So what else made that oi sound? So did croy and enroy. Those two letters work together to also make the oi sound. Croy and enroy. And then as you do that, it'd probably be easier if you go ahead and cross them off so you don't have to look at so many choices for the next part, okay? When you figure out the aw sound, you want to look for the AU, but the other thing that made the aw sound was AW, like zaw and Prague. And for OU, you can do the OU like towed and throush, but also yow and powell make that OU sound. Then I'm going to analyze these 4 words. Which non-word from the OI sound rhymes with hoist? Choiced, because it ends with the same sound. Which non-word rhymes with toil? Stroil. They have the same endings. So remember, rhyming words have the same endings. Choiced, stroil. Which non-word begins with the same sound as crush? Croy. Got it. So then you'll do that same thing for the aw and the owl sounds. And then on page 2, at the first part, it says divide and read each word. You're going to divide it by syllable. Then circle the best synonym. Synonym is a word that means the same thing. For the word, some words divide before the consonant and others divide after the consonant. Remember, one thing you can check syllables is to take your hand and put it under your chin because your mouth opens every time it says a syllable. Rapid, rapid, timid. So you'll kind of say rap, rapid, rap, id. And what means the same thing as rapid? Rapid means quick. Silent, silent. So I'm going to say silent. What means the same thing as silent? Loud? No. Big? No. Hushed. Finish, finish, finish. Fin-ish. And when I'm saying that to myself, what I'm doing is putting my hand under my chin to try to feel where that break is. Fin-ish. Oh, to finish something means to end it. Decide. Decide. If you decide something, you choose it. So you can try the ones on this side, and then we'll go to the next part. Choose the correct syllable to complete each real word. So something you late, populate. You can keep going with that. Valentine. Valentine. Oh, there it is. So I put the N, and then I'm going to write the whole word. Valentine. Example. Oh, example? Oh, there it is. Am. So I can put am there, and then write example. Isoic, isoca, isomon, no, isolate. Isolate. So just keep going, and remember, if you get stuck on one, just skip it, and if you cross off as you go, you'll have one left. Finally, you'll use these words, so look at your full words, not your separated words. Look at your full words to answer these questions. What is another word for huge? You'll look through all these to find a word that matches each question.